Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna do some tree trimming. Alright, so now I'm gonna go get the whippersnapper so I can clean up all that grass there. I'm gonna do the other side where the gate goes when it's closed. And when it's open, when the gate's open, yeah. Alright, got it all trimmed back there. There's good. Got the chain, got the whippersnapper. Just gotta grab my pit vipers from the truck. I'm gonna toss all these away first. I have a quest. I have to go deliver a letter. This is the back side. You can't see the name and stuff on it. I know better than the docks people.